Hello, today with Teen Donovan, we'll be making bacon-wrapped jalapeno poppers. First, please like and subscribe.
We'll start by cooking the bacon. Now we're just cooking this for a couple minutes, just to get it partially cooked. Now while the bacon is cooking for a little bit, go ahead and prep these jalapenos. Cut the ends off. And then we'll give them a slit down the middle. Love these knives. They are super sharp and handy. All right, now that these are cut, we're gonna go ahead and pull out the middle. Now I need to keep my food relatively not super spicy, so I'm gonna go ahead and get all the seeds out. Now that that's cleaned out, I'm gonna go ahead and you can either make them with cheddar or with cream cheese. I actually like to do a little bit of a mixture. Get some cream cheese. All right, now let's start stuffing them. All right, now that these have cooled off a little bit, let's go ahead and wrap them. Putting the toothpicks in to help hold it in place. And because these are so large, I'm gonna go ahead and use 2 pieces of bacon. Now that these are prepped, let's go ahead and throw them out on the grill. Now we'll cook these for a couple minutes before rotating them. Looking coming off. All right, these look done. Let's pull them off and enjoy.